Guys, I have a cute little platypus right here. If you want his HMI folder so you can print him on your own little 3D printer, click on the link below. I'll try my best, but Mr. Kitty looks like he wants to go to my foot or go to eat. Yeah, it's a cute little one. And if you want, you can also put a keychain. This is a little thing. And presto, here's the little keychain. So you can attach it to your keychain and presto. I print him in orange plastic, orange PLA. And yes, he's cute, he's cuddly. Looks like he wants a friend. And if you want, I only use marker on his eyes, black marker actually. I only have a single color printer. Basics. That's all I can print one color at a time. And yeah, he's really good. Otherwise, like and subscribe. See you next time. And he say, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.